Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came is on the biggest hiring from various company like the Maruti Suzuki, Adani, Siam Steel and other important companies. So if you are the fresher looking for some internship and job opportunity, then this video is for you. So first important opportunity that is from the Maruti Suzuki, and this is Gate Tool and Die off campus drive. So this is a wonderful opportunity and this is a full-time role. Okay, and job posted is 17th April 2026 and still hiring is going on. So students, there are some various requirements like student must have scored at least 65% marks or 6.5 CGPA in 10 12th and all those stuff. So if you are eligible, I will suggest must apply. Okay, and only full-time degree from the diploma, BE, BTech or MTech students can apply for this wonderful opportunity. They haven't mentioned any basically background, so all students can background means all students from any background can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Okay, and talking about the job details, so designation will be postgraduate engineer trainee PGET or graduate engineer trainee. Means for BTech they will you will be having post as graduate engineer trainee, and for the MTech students will get the postgraduate engineer training. And these are the job locations, and the selection process will be online test, technical aptitude and psychometrics, and personal interview will be there like technical plus HR. And tentative date of joining is July. Must apply for this wonderful opportunity, don't miss this. Next importantly, that is from the Adani. They are hiring for the role of assistant manager electrical. So if you are from the electrical background, must apply. So far 200 applicants have applied for this wonderful drive, and the requirement is, that's what I have said, that you should be having electrical background, and if you want you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Moving to next, that is from the Siam Steel, and this is also wonderful opportunity. The job location will be Angarpur, Durgapur locations, and you will be reporting to assistant shift in charge. And this is a kind of, you can say, role for the electrical especially students. So if you want you can apply for this. Just go to the complete job in the description. I will provide all the link there. You can just go through it and follow it. Dear friends, keep applying for off-campus drive. Especially, I'm saying to 2026 pass out batch, okay, and 2025 too. Don't depend on your college for getting opportunities. Okay, you don't know from where you will get referred. Like many candidates apply from our channel, like from the IBM and other hiring, they are getting the basically the reward mail. Okay, from the Zomato also this is direct test hiring, so they are getting. So keep applying and keep a hope, and that's the what I want to tell. Next importantly, that is from the Ramble. They are hiring for the role of GET, graduate engineer trainee process and safety role, and the job location will be Chennai. So if you are compatible with this location, then you can apply for this. And these are the company descriptions and all those, means they are working in various sector. So if you are interested in applying, please submit your application through online recruitment system by clicking apply link, and you have to basically attach CV, cover letter and relevant document showcasing all that. So if you are interested, you can just click here I am interested, and you need to basically apply for the details. Means you have to just fill all those details like the CB, and you have to create profile, and if you have experience then you can also add. So this is a wonderful opportunity, don't miss this. Moving to next, that is from the Cisco. They are hiring for the role of software engineer trainee technical graduates. Earlier I have also provided opportunity in this particular opportunity, that is for the internship position role. So must apply for this, and the 2025-2026 graduate both are eligible and must be available for period of 12 months starting from September 2026. Means from September 2026 this program will start. So means you will get joining before that. Next importantly, from same company Cisco, but for the role of software engineer, and especially I'll suggest 2025 students must apply. You know, from the Cisco you will be getting the limited hiring, means, but still you can apply. Okay, no one know from where you can get. And last important thing, that is from the Amazon. So they are still hiring for the role of software development engineer 1, Amazon University talent program acquisition program. So you will be getting a reward for sure, and this is also gonna good hiring. So you should, if you have some technical experience and other, then you will be getting preference and all those stuff. So if you want you can apply. Friends, recently TCS has basically announced the results, and many candidates are getting the result. First of all, congratulations to all of them, those who got the results. Now if you want to schedule your mock interview, then you can fill the form in the system. Will provide you complete guidance and help you to clear this interview. So if you want, you can fill the form. Okay, and many of the candidates are getting selection from our interviews too. So if you want, you can fill. And कोई भी query feel free to ask her. We can connect on LinkedIn, Insta or anywhere. And for getting such important job update, you can subscribe us. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.